In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use obfuscated servers in NordVPN on desktop. Obfuscated servers are designed to disguise VPN traffic so it looks like regular internet activity. This is especially helpful on restrictive networks, like certain workplaces, schools, hotels, or regions, where standard VPN connections might be blocked or unstable. I'll guide you through the exact steps to enable and connect, and share a few quick tips to keep everything running smoothly. Start by opening the NordVPN app on your desktop. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in to access your account features. Once you're in, look for the gear icon, typically in the top right corner of the app, and click it to open the Settings menu. In Settings, navigate to the Advanced tab. There, you'll find an option labeled Obfuscated Servers. Switch this on. If you're currently connected to any server, the app may momentarily disconnect while it applies the change. This is normal and only takes a moment. When that toggle is enabled, close the settings to return to the main screen. Now you'll choose a server that supports obfuscation. Open the server list from the main interface. You can scroll through the countries or use the search field to narrow things down. You're looking for servers labeled obfuscated. These are commonly available in countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and the Netherlands, among others. The obfuscated tag makes them easy to spot, so just find a location that suits your needs. Click on an obfuscated server to connect. You'll see the app work through the connection process, and then it will confirm when you're connected. Give it a few seconds to fully establish the tunnel. Once connected, your traffic is routed through an obfuscated server, which helps bypass aggressive network filters and reduces the chance of your connection being flagged as VPN traffic. A couple of quick tips to set expectations. Because obfuscation adds an extra layer of processing, speeds may be slightly slower than on standard servers. That's an expected trade-off for improved reliability on restrictive networks. If you don't see the obfuscated servers toggle in advanced settings or can't find obfuscated locations in the server list, it can depend on your app version, operating system, or regional availability. Updating the app and checking NordVPN's support resources can clarify what's supported for your setup. And that's it. Open the app, enable obfuscated servers in the Advanced tab, return to the main screen, choose a server labeled obfuscated, and connect. You're now using NordVPN with obfuscation enabled for a more resilient, private browsing experience on tough networks.